this video, I'm gonna teach you how to purchase your domain and set up an account with GoDaddy. So you can purchase your domain from a plethora of different places, Google Domains, SiteGround, different websites. We prefer to use GoDaddy here. They have good customer service if you ever need to contact them, and it's fairly affordable and cheap and secure. So the way you do that is you go to GoDaddy.com, and then as soon as you land on their homepage, it says find your perfect domain. So let's say I'm looking for things that are red.com. I can search for it and it'll let me know that, hey, it's available. I'm gonna click add to cart. And once your domain that you want is added to your cart, it's gonna continue with the checkout process. So in the first section, it's gonna ask you for privacy and protection. This is completely optional, it's $10 a year. What this means is when you purchase a domain, you're now put on a registrar with all your information, your email, your phone number, everything that you give them. And this is just in case someone else wants to purchase this domain from you, they're allowed to contact you and offer you whatever they were willing to pay for you to sell it to them. So if you want your name off that registrar, you can pay for it. In this case, I'm just gonna hit no thanks. Start your website for free. We're gonna check that off because we will be building your website. And then create an email address that matches your domain. We're gonna hit no thanks and leave it the way it is because we use G Suite to set up your email account. Click continue to cart. On the next screen, it's automatically gonna put you down for 2 years for your domain. You can select any length of time that you wanna purchase. If you wanna go ahead and buy 3 years at a time for your domain, you can do so. For this example, I'm just gonna choose 1 year. And then after you do that, just select checkout. And then if you don't have an account, you're just gonna create an account here. Once you hit create an account, it's gonna take you to the billing information. And then after that, it's gonna ask you to put in your payment information, your credit card information. And then once you hit checkout or purchase, you're done and you're complete. You can log into your account using the credentials, the email, and the password that you have set up. They'll also send a verification to your email address that you had put in to make sure that you put in the right email address and everything's in order, as well as the invoice for your, the receipt for your domain purchase. Then you're able to log in and you have your domain. So once you've purchased your domain on GoDaddy, now what you're gonna wanna do is delegate access to us. So the way you do that is go to GoDaddy.com, log in, and once you're at the sign in page, you're gonna type in the credentials that you have set up, click sign in. Once you're logged in, and you can see right here because I didn't finish the purchase, for the example, it's still here. Once you're in, you're gonna click at your name at the top right, and then click on account settings. Once you're in account settings, you're gonna click the drop down on the top left and select delegate access. Once you select that and you're on this page, you're gonna hit on the right hand side, invite to access. You're gonna type my name in, James Vidala, and then for email, james@cranecreatives.com. Now under access level request, you're gonna select products and domains. So I don't need to purchase anything in your account, so I don't need access to that, but I do need access to your domain so we can connect it to your website and all the other products that you have purchased. And then click invite, I'll be notified and I will be delegated access at that point, and then we're done. That's all.